Hey everybody, this video is going to show you the basics of how to create a drum beat. So in the video we talked about exploring sounds to help create sounds that haven't been heard before. So I really want you to think about exploring the different sounds that are available before you just go and record the quickest thing that you find. Okay, so we're going to start by adding our new track. Okay, and we're going to click on drum kits. You have a ton of different drum kits to choose from. You've got machines, which are kind of like, they'll make some different sounds. You can hear when it loads. I'll play a little bit here. And I'm using the white and black keys on my keyboard to make different sounds. So that's a black key, that's a white key, different black key, okay? And then if you use your octave key, so if I hit the down octave, it's on the left-hand side of your keyboard. If I hit that, and now I hit the same black key and white key, it gives me, ooh, I like that one. It gives me all kinds of different sounds. So use those octave keys, use the black and white keys, and choose. So you have process sounds here that are other ones, and then you have all these different sounds to play around with. So I'm going to start with this gorilla one because I like that sound I just found. Okay, so I'm going to start with having my metronome on, so make sure this says on. So when I hit play, okay, that's pretty annoying. I'm going to change that sound to click. Okay, turn that down a little bit. Actually, turn the volume down. Okay, that's a little bit more bearable. Alright, so I'm going to start by making a sound on beats 1 and 3. So when it clicks, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to do it on beats 1 and 3, and you should start with this as well, okay? So let's try it. Here we go. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's see what it sounds like. Alright, so I got my bass drum down, so now I'm going to add a new track. Every sound is on a different track, so I'm going to do a different drum kit this time. Let's see what my garage kit sounds like. I need a good snare drum sound or some sort of drum sound. Still loading. See the blue bar there. Okay, let's try that one. So if we Okay, so let's try that. We're going to record that one. So I'm going to do this one on beats 2 and 4 now. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Stop. Okay, so we listen to that. Okay, so I'm going to add a new track, okay, and add a third track now. So I'm going to find some other sound. It doesn't really matter which one. Let's go into my machines. Okay, and then I'm just going to kind of build on top of this beat and record some things. So I'm going to practice once. Okay, so now I'll record it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 7. Okay, so we can listen to that. Okay, so that made a new sound, and then I can just keep building, and you can keep building and building and building as much as you want on here. Okay, so I'll do one more and then show you the next. So let's see what the pop and snap sounds like. Let's see, I want something. That's what I want. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so all together. Alright, so I like that. So now if I want to extend it, okay, now here's the deal. I have a little blank spot here. So if I just pull this way, notice how this first beat right here, this black beat, starts before bar 9, so that's a problem. Okay, so instead of just zipping it over, I need to do my edit, copy, and then click here, edit, paste, like that. And the best way to do this is to actually do that click and drag. So I'm going to click and drag, and then edit, copy, and then click here, edit, paste, and then it just copied everything. So now it'll sound, put everything together. Okay, so see how it repeated it. Now from there you can keep repeating that, okay, as many times as you want, and if you want to throw, then we can start throwing other sounds on top. So let's just, I don't even know what these are going to sound like, but I'm just going to throw one on top so you can kind of see what it sounds like. Let's start at measure 5 here. So here we go. I'm recording something right now. Hold on. Okay. Alright, so you're going to layer more sounds on. Just make sure you read the directions to figure out what the whole project should look like, but that'll give you a basic idea for a start. Alright, have fun.